What is that saying?
What do you think they would do if I did that on my hand?
I don't know.
Can I see it?
Yeah. Oh, Callie just flopped over. And my baby Sadie. What's up, Sade? Pretty girl. Oh, Callie's attacking the toys. Callie's getting the toys.
Like, no, no taking my toys. Oh yeah, the bracelet she plays fetch, but there's not enough room in here to play.
Oh, no you don't. It's mine.
Yeah, be careful. She's a ninja.
Callie, you ninja? What's Kayla doing? Where's the KK going?
Spin.
Spin, spin.
Oh, by the way. Hi, John.
Hi.
And this is me. Oh no, I look naked. Look, I am wearing a shirt. I am wearing a shirt. I'm wearing a tank top. Okay, back to my babies.
My Kay came up on the bed. Hi, honey Kay. My little mama. Kay, you're so pretty. Yeah, you're so pretty. Where you going? You're too close, Kay. But my Sadie's not. Mwah. Mwah. What's Callie doing over there?
Little bully. Ooh, ooh, and Sadie's getting feisty.
Hey.
What, Poppy? You look so tough with that red bow in your hair.
Look at it. Fetch.
Did you throw it?
Yeah.
She only fetches the bracelets.
Fetch. Does she bring them back?
Yeah. When she wants to play, she'll bring them back. No, that's not one of her bracelets. It's one of the sex bracelets.
Sex bracelet.
Yeah.
It's a sex bracelet.
They're like those little. Yeah, that's a sex bracelet. Actually, if you watch your chair.
Whoa, Poopy. Whoa.
No.
Don't.
I guess I gotta give them treatsies now because they heard the drawer open. But yeah, these are all the sex bracelets I've collected because my cat plays fetch with them. Those are her toys.
What are the treats?
Actually, I cleaned my room. I don't know what I did with them. Oh, they're the tall green container right next to the.
Oh.
Yeah, you girls get treats. Yeah, treatsies for the girls.
You stop.
Go ahead, Ken.
How many
You can
for
have
two?
treatsy. What?
2 for each? 3 for each?
No, give him like 5 or 6. I usually give him like a handful.
Something like that.
Yeah. You know what? Just sprinkle them over there where the toys are. And Callie's a bully, and she pushes everybody out of the way so that she can eat them. So, see, she steals the treats. She's a treat monger. Oh, Kayla wants more. Give Kayla some more. And you can give more to them. Actually, that's quite a bit for Kayla.
Now the dog's looking at me.
Yeah,
What do
I
you think for
know.
him? Or her?
I have to get her something.
Will they take?
No, she won't eat those. Okay, here. You record.
Applebee's. Applebee's. See what they can do.
Mama's back, and look what I got for Poppy. Ito. Ito. You gonna dance? You gonna dance? Come here. I moved the clap down. You dance. You dance. 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 Yeah. Puppy's a treat.
Oh, there's only one. You only got one.
I got 2 of them.
Can I see?
But they're big, so you have to give her a few minutes to finish it.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, Callie. Yes, honey.
She's still finishing up hers. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You can just put that back in the
Oh. You didn't even finish it yet. I'm trying to move it in so I can zoom in.
Shoot.
I don't remember how I did it. Oh, yes, I did. Let me see. There you go.
There.
Let me see.
Puppy wants another treaty. You want another treaty? Look what John got.
Come on.
John got another
Dance for me.
treaty Puppy?
Come on. Dance for me. Dance. 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 Come on. Dance for me. Dance for me. Dance. Dance, 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 dance.
Do you know that Callie is so fat?
She got muscle.
I know, but she was on steroids for like a year. She was paralyzed, but that's a different story.
Sit. Stay. Stay. Stay.
This
Stay.
kitty
No.
cat,
Stay. 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 Nope. Stay.
she's not trained.
Stay.
You just have to give it to her.
Stay. Nope. Stay.
But Callie
Stay.
is such a fat cat
Stay.
that even
Stay.
the largest cat.
Alright.
What? You're
Try to
not
get it out of my
listening.
hand. I'm listening. I'm listening.
The largest cat collar would not fit her. This is actually a small dog collar that she's wearing. She's fat. You're fat. Yeah, but that's okay. It's what I love. That just means it's what I love. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's one creepy look right there. I can see one eye of your cat and it's all black.
Who's that pretty baby? Who's that pretty Kay? I love you, my little princess.
Do you want one?
No. Thank you.
Sure.
Yeah. Puppy, you almost finished with that treat? That's taking forever.
She chowed that down.
Sweetie girl. No, you're not gonna leave the room, Zane. Oh, if I don't have the light on, their eyes don't glow. Who's the pretty Sade? Hey. What's up, Papa?
My little silly same. My big fatty Callie. Now I can get a picture of my Kay. Look at the pretty heart on her collar. Yeah, she got a big red pretty sparkly heart. Yeah, that Mama got her, 'cause Mama loves the Kay. Yeah, my sweetie honey. Okay, I think I'm done with the video camera. So say goodnight, Poppy.
Good night, Poppy.
Say Poppy, say goodnight. Yeah, she said goodnight. She went say goodnight, Kay. Good night, KK. Good night, Callie. Good night, Sade. No playing on the computer. No tweeting your feline friends. Good night, John.
Bye.
I'm gonna see you sometime in the near future. Good night. Ah, why is that zoomed in? Oh, there we go. Good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite.